Carpet cleaning friends, floor cleaning friends. This is John Williams and Roger D. Lloyd of the Carpet Cleaner Show. It's our latest episode. And in this week's show, we want to talk about the importance of upselling and how that can really make your marketing work for you. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this topic is because a few weeks ago, I saw our good friend here, Roger. He was doing a live on Facebook and he was talking about a job that we'd generated for him from our marketing services here at AGB. It was a $167 special, part of the special that we were running for him on our Facebook ads. And he was recording live on Facebook talking about how he turned that job from $167 into like $700-800. And it was just absolutely amazing. And I think that that is really the key to really making your advertising and marketing work for you. You know, whether you're working with us at AGB, whether you're doing it yourself, whether you're paying another company to do it, the game is basically following up quickly. And we will talk about that at another time. It's about following up in the right way, but also trying to squeeze as much juice out of that opportunity as possible. And, you know, using things like upsells, referral schemes, so on and so forth to turn a $100 job, a $150 job, a $167 job into a $300, a $400, a $600, a $700, an $800 job, to turn one customer into three customers because that one job that you did, she referred you or he referred you and you got two or three more jobs out of it. And that's how you make your advertising dollars work to their maximum potential, by upselling, by having referral schemes, by having all of these systems in place. What I'm seeing in the industry is the people that have got that figured out, the people that are really good at upselling, the people that are really good at talking to their customers and getting them to refer business and all this good stuff, the people that are awesome at that, they're the people that have the real big success. They're the people that are doing the $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month with AGB. It's because they're good at upselling. They didn't sell loads of $167 jobs. No, they sold basically plenty of jobs at that price and then they upsold them. And that's something that I saw Roger do in that live video. And I thought that was really cool and awesome. Over the years, I've spoken to a lot of carpet cleaners in America and all over the world. And I've spoken to them and I've said, look, you really want to make sure that you're upselling to really get the most out of the service. And the feedback that I've had in the past, not always, but it's, you know, I don't feel comfortable doing that or like asking for more money. And, you know, there definitely, in my mind, seems to be a bit of a mindset issue, possibly a self-esteem or a confidence issue to be able to go into somebody's house and like literally ask for more money or, you know, try to sell them and stuff like that. And I think Roger was talking to somebody himself the other day, and you'll probably touch on this in a minute as well. And he was saying the same thing. And the person said something like, I don't want to be a salesman, or, you know, I'm a carpet cleaner, not a salesman. I think they said something like that to Roger. And the reality is, listen, if you are a business owner, then yes, you are a salesman, because of course you're selling your services. You need to be a salesman to get customers, whether that's through selling, through your advertising, whether it's through selling through in person, through knocking on doors, through sending out flyers, whether it's selling when you're in the home. Of course you're a salesperson. And it's a key thing, that skill is in being successful with your business. So I wanted to do an episode today with Roger touching on, in particular, upselling in the home, and also some of the mindset and the confidence and self-esteem things around all of that. And so I'd like to talk to Roger now and just sort of get some insight into him. Roger, first of all, let's do the easy one first. Anybody watching this, give me a few bullet points in terms of upselling, in terms of hints, tips, advice on turning a $167 job to an $800 job. How do you do it?
Thank you for having me again, John. Well, let me give you one of the things that we're doing now that seems to be working very well. You already know that people have furniture if they called you for the carpet. And 9 times out of 10, they had pets. So what you can do, what I do is, when I get in the home, I can say, you can save $45 today if you would like. Let me tell you how that works. You can save $20 on carpet cleaning. You can save $15 on this beautiful furniture you have here. And then I see you have pets, and you can save $10 on pet odor removal. But the only way I can give you the $45 deal off is if you get all 3 services. So 9 times out of 10, we shoot the breeze and they look around in the sky for a minute. And if they say, well, I'm not sure, we're like, well, I'll tell you what. You see that beautiful lazy boy right there? And she's like, yes, this is what I always talk about, the law of reciprocity. And the thing is, by me cleaning that one lazy boy chair, now you got to be good at your craft. You can't come in there with a little drill and a little scrub brush. It's not going to work that way. There is no carpet maintaining. They have to be able to see the real steam or whatever your method is. I'm not down in anyone's method, but they have to be able to see a difference. And so when you clean that chair and they say, well, how much is it to clean the rest of the furniture? If it's a sectional with me, that could be $250. If it's a sofa and love seat, that could be $199. So that's an additional $200. The only thing I'm taking off is $15. Now, she has pets. Oh, I do have a little dog that keeps having these accidents. How much is that? Well, you got the 3 rooms today for the $167, because that's the special that you're running for me. So that would be $45 additional per room. What normally I would do is just give her the total. And I say, but we take $10 off of that. So you got the $167 for the carpet, you got the extra $200 for the furniture, and you got another $100 and $45 for the pet. But that might come up to $700 and some dollars. Well, we're going to take $45. So that brings you down to, $699 for everything. And I'll tell you what, just because you chose to go with us today with our $45 special, I'm going to leave you with this. This is our BioSpot fabric and carpet spot removal. I'm going to give you a little nozzle. All I want you to do is spray it twice. This will last you to the next time we come back. Just put this nozzle on it right here, put it in your covering. See, you don't realize this is a visual for you while you're not there. Every time they go in their covering to get some Windex to spray their windows, every time they go in their cleaning covering to get the lemon pledge to wipe off their furniture, their furniture, this is sitting right there. You want something in your customer's home when you're not there that's always letting them know. And see, it has my little phone number on it. It has a picture of a dog. And this cost me what? My chemical supplier, Soap Daddy, makes these for me for what? $2 a bottle? Come on now. And then what I also tell them was, as long as they call us twice a year, this is an endless bottle, which means every time I come back, I will replace it. Wow. That's it. Think of all the value. They get $45 off of cleaning all 3 things, all 3 services, carpet, the upholstery, and they get the pet odor treatment, and they get a bottle. But I'm not really selling this to them. I want to give this to them because I want to be in their house when I'm physically not there. That upsell alone, John, is how I got that $700 and that $500 job ticket that AGB provided with this $167 special. That's all they believed they were spending. But like you were saying, well, John, that's the answer to that question. The other thing you can do for upsell, if you're not comfortable with selling all your services, think about all the money you spend on chemicals. Every chemical you buy has a unique need. We have some smoke eraser for people that smoke or have real bad cooking odors. You could go and say, oh, I noticed you have a little cooking odor or a little smoke odor in here. I'll tell you what, for only $5 per room, they might be getting 3 rooms done. It would only be $15 more because see, they're always adding up in their head. And see, $15 to them is a soft sale. So a lot of people, a lot of carpet cleaners, see, Roger, that's what I'm talking about. You're trying to, I don't want to go in. I want to go in and clean. I want to go in and clean. My friend AGB, the Carpet Cleaning World University, Truck Mount Forums, I'm throwing them all in there. If you do not have any sales, it's called USP, any unique sales propositions when you go in each home, I'm already sizing things up when I go in the house. If I see mattresses, if I see the dogs on the mattresses, I'll mention that we do mattress cleaning. If I'm tile and grout, you know how easy it is to tell someone, oh, we'll clean both bathrooms for you while we right here. Just an additional $120. Do you know how many women hate to get on their hands and knees and scrub a floor? And then you can just show them a little video on your phone with your professional. You don't have to bring the spinner in and do it. You can show them on your phone the equipment of how you're cleaning a bathroom floor and how all the yuck just comes up out the grout lines. And if they don't barf on you right in your face, they're going to need to go to the bathroom real quick because you done made them sick. And then when they go to the bathroom and they look down at their floors, they're going to run out and say, can you do it right now? I want you to do it before you do the carpets. Now, every time you go back to that lady's house, she's no longer just going to get the carpet done. She's going to want you to do the bathroom floors too. My ladies and gentlemen, if you don't understand the power of upselling, AGB can help you. There's no lead generation service that can help you. If you're a one truck operation, I'm going to be honest with you. You should be pulling in between $16,000 to $20,000 a month. What the heck is $1,839 if you're earning between $16,000 to $20,000 a month? I'll tell you what the difference is, because AGB is going to send monthly emails and all that crap that these guys are saying they're not really doing it. Yes, they are. I just got the confirmation that my email went out to all my clients. See, that's how AGB does. They send you emails to confirm everything. If you don't check your email, that's on you. They send a text blast out every 3 months. Everyone checks their phones. Everyone reads a text.
Yeah, I think, you've given some really great value and advice there. I think, little hacks and pieces of advice like the free bottle of spotting kit, which I think is a great thing. Like you said, it's a couple of dollars a pop for each bottle. You can put your own business name, your phone number on there every time they open that cupboard. That's a reminder. Things like having like a video, like a grotesque video of tile and grout taking place. And look, this is basically what's hidden between the tiles there. This is all the bacteria and the dirt. That's immediately going to trigger somebody to thinking, oh my God, I want to get mine done as well. That's great advice. I think having some additional discounts that you can stack by getting more stuff done is a great way of doing it as well. But I think what it all boils down to, though, is having the confidence and the self-esteem to be able to kind of go in there into someone's home and do that. And what we're really talking about here is the fundamentals of sales, the fundamentals of selling. And some people, they don't feel comfortable or confident with that, and for a number of different reasons, And some people are not a natural salesperson like you. Some people have just got that charisma, right? And they've just got that. They just inherently, they have that vibe. They have that sales thing in them. It's just inbuilt. It's in the DNA, man. And it just comes naturally, which is how I think about you, Roger. I think you've just got that natural thing for it. But for some people, it doesn't come naturally. I think there's been a lot of really good advice and education in this video. I think it's been a great episode. Anybody that would like to get the phone ringing off the hook on autopilot, anybody that wants more jobs, anybody that's ambitious, that's looking to grow, hit us up, www.a-g-b.co. You'll find the link in the description of this video. We'd love to talk to you. We'd love to share our screen, walk you through our marketing system that's specifically for the carpet cleaning and the floor cleaning industry. We don't work with anybody else. Check it out. And also, if you want more coaching, more educational content, more value, how to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, do go and head over to the Carpet Cleaning World University Facebook group. The link is in the description below. Join up to the group. There's so much content in there, and you're also going to get to find out about some of the other ways that Roger and his team can help you guys take things to that next level. And on that note, guys, see you on the next video. Have a great day. It's Monday when we're recording this, so whatever day you're watching it, I hope you're having a great day. Have a great week ahead. We appreciate you, and we wish you all the best and all the success in the world.